Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to draw different kinds of bacteria. So let's start the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So first we will draw here a circle type of structure which is called focus. And here we are going to draw two joint circle type structure which is called diplococci. Now we have to draw here this type of structure like this. This is known as staphylococci. Staphylococci. Now here we have to draw this type of structure, rod type of structure, which is known as bacilli. Now here we are going to draw, sorry for this, eyes here. Now we are going to draw this type of structure. Spirally. This is called spirally. This structure is called vibrio. Now we have drawn all the pictures. Thank you for watching my video.